In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple app in Airtable. We'll go through the full process from setting up your data to creating an interface, testing it, and sharing it with other users. The goal is to make sure your app is not only functional, but also easy to use and connected properly to the information behind it. First, open Airtable and either create a new base or open an existing one where your app data will live. Think of your base as the foundation of the app. This is where all of your information is stored, so it's important to start in the right place before building anything visual. Next, set up the data structure for your app. This means adding the tables, fields, and relationships you'll need. Tables are used to organize different types of information, while fields define the specific details inside each table. If your app needs different sets of records to work together, create relationships between them so the data stays connected and organized. Taking a little extra time here can save a lot of confusion later. Once your data is ready, open Airtable's App Builder, also known as interfaces. This is the part of Airtable where you turn your data into something more interactive and user-friendly. Instead of looking at raw tables, you'll be building screens that people can actually use. From there, create your interface by choosing a layout for the app screen. Airtable offers different layout options depending on how you want the information to appear. Choose the one that best matches the experience you want users to have. A clean layout makes the app easier to navigate and helps people focus on the most important information. After that, start adding elements to the interface. You can include lists, forms, buttons, charts, or record pages, depending on what your app needs to do. Each element serves a different purpose, so choose them based on how users will interact with the app and what actions they need to take. Now connect each of those elements to the correct Airtable table. This step is essential because the interface only works properly when every element is linked to the right source of data. If something displays incorrect or missing information, this is one of the first places to check. Then preview the app and test everything carefully. Make sure the data appears correctly, the elements behave as expected, and the overall experience feels smooth. Testing helps you catch small issues before anyone else sees them. Finally, once everything looks good, publish or share the app with your users. At this point, your Airtable app is ready to be used and you can start collecting, viewing, and managing data through the interface you created.